My refrigerator. Let's see, we have this is some prosciutto. Back there is some homemade salsa, fake eggs, a wedge of cheese, some water, some Irish butter. It doesn't say Irish butter on it anyway. I don't know what this is. Some sort of, it looks like cake crumbs, like breadcrumbs or something. There's some olives, tea, there's a thing of tea, a few beers, apple juice, 2 1/3 gallons of milk. You have Vidalia onions, some tomato salsa, some fake butter, baking soda. It's actually keeping it fresh. Yogurt, some pickles, buttermilk, and some cherries. Really good cherries, actually. Right, the cherries. No cherry. Let's see what's in the door. Apple butter. Orange marmalade, some strawberry preserves, some pickled ginger, mayonnaise, lime juice, really good teriyaki sauce, some more cherries, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, Grey Poupon, sun-dried tomatoes, Texas Pete, seafood cocktail sauce, tomato ketchup, as opposed to what other kind of ketchup. There's a Baja Chipotle lime sauce, and olive oil vinaigrette. And then in the crisper we have some, looks like there's some ginger root in there, then onions, some mushrooms, red onions, green onions. We have 3 different kinds of onions, and then some garlic. And then in this side we have some limes, no doubtly for the beers, and grapes. Up to the freezer. Ice, Jello shots. This looks like frozen chickens. Ice packs. We have a lot of ice packs. Turkey burgers. Crushed tomatoes. This box is crab cakes. So, that. Here we have peas and corn, more Jello shots. This is barbecue ribs. Trust me, they're heavy. I don't want to get them all. We apparently freeze mozzarella. We have these are really good. If you don't have them, go to your Asian market, get these. They're like little yogurty drinks. They're awesome. We have frozen spinach, and I'm gonna assume that this is more spaghetti sauce. And I think that's all. Yeah, it looks like it's all. Lots of frozen. Here's some frozen halibut, I believe. But yeah, lots of frozen vegetables, broccoli, more halibut. Another ice pack, or is that the same one? There's chicken. This is some sort of, it's a bean soup. Frozen bean soup. So, bye YouTube.